The company sent me this great portable juicer blender. I was really excited to get this and try it out because my husband and I go camping a lot. And I think it would be really handy to have something like this that works off of a rechargeable battery. It did come with the charging cable, and it has the port right here where you plug it in to charge it. And we've already taken care of that. It's fully charged. So this has got your start and stop button, your power button, and you do have a way right here to measure things. So let me show you. This is the blender part. And this is your nozzle when you get ready to drink it. But it also has a bottom where you can actually use this as a cup. So to add everything, you just turn it upside down like this. I am going to try a little smoothie. I'm going to do some banana and some frozen blueberries. I'm not going to add ice. You could, it will work with ice, but I am just going to add the frozen blueberries. I think that will give me enough of a smoothie effect. And then I'm going to add some coconut milk. So here we go with some blueberries in there. That is good, plenty of that. And blueberries are so good for you, and so is the coconut milk. So you can see the coconut milk, the blueberries, all of that. Now I'm going to just screw this back on here. Screw it on nice and tight so it doesn't leak. And it shows you when you get it all the way, it starts blinking. Now we're going to turn it back on. Just double click the power button and then hit start. There we go. All right, now it's done. Push it again to stop. And now I'm going to turn it upside down just to get this off because I'm going to use this as a cup. And I want to put the bottom on this. So you just put that, clean that off. And just put this bottom on here and screw it on nice and tight. It does have a little rubber washer in there. Make sure that rubber washer's in there. And then you're good to go. Now I can open this up and drink it. Banana and blueberry go so good together, and that coconut milk added just a little coconut to it. So it tells you right here how much you have. And how amazing is this that it all runs off of a battery. So check it out. I think it would be really awesome to have with you on a picnic, out with friends at the river. Lots of different uses for this. You can do smoothies. You can even blend you a margarita at the beach. So check this out.